I'm Bob Patterson, and I've been working with couples, individuals, and groups for over 30 years. I'd like to take a moment to talk about the concept of repair. We make mistakes. We all say things we shouldn't say, and sometimes they can be very hurtful to the partners in our life. So what do we do when we say something to our partner that causes some level of hurt or emotional damage? One thing we know is take personal responsibility for what we did. We like the idea of repair often and quickly, because we do say stuff that we shouldn't say to each other. But when we do, to quickly repair it. And one way you can do that is just say, what I wish I had done differently is. So I can make sense out of the experience that you had because I did say whatever it was I said, that you were late again, or you're acting just like your mother, or some of the other awful stuff we say to each other. But then to say what I wish I had done differently is, and see if that helps you get through to some kind of repair more quickly. Try that and see if it helps.